Oh, what a pain in the butt. So I got these things all out. Pain in the ass, but that was the easy part. These things here are harder. So these are supposed to have slider nuts with a bolt stick on. You just tighten the nut up and you're done. You got two here, two on the bottom. The two on the bottom will hold this bracket holds this. So it's just, they're all stacked on top of each other. The problem is they broke the correct hardware, so now I got this bolt head stuck in here, and all they do is spin. So you're trying to keep stuff from spinning to get apart. So I got the lower one off now, it looks like. And I got that one loose, but this other one over here just spins. So this one, the bolt head actually came through the channel, which jammed it up, so that was able to make it come off. So now I'm going to try to yank out on this pipe here, put enough pressure on the bolt head that I can get this nut to come loose that's in there. This stuff is just a pain in the butt to do. This is bad designing. They knew it was going to be a problem and they just went with it. Stuff should have all welded in nut certs that can never come loose. Not how good the bolt head jammed in when you got the pipe on. These bolts are way too stinking long, which makes it even worse. Okay, is this a channel will slide out or not? Doesn't appear to be. It's a bolt head. It has to go this direction to get off. Bingo. See, this is broken. That's why the bolt head comes off. So it should have a, like I said, it should have a long channel, like a T-nut that goes in there. There's no way it could ever spin. A hex head is just going to spin in here. So it's stupid design. And the heat shields are welded on. That's why there's no brackets here. They're welded onto the pipe. So you have no access to get into the heat shields off. What a piece of crap. Okay, now I got that off, I can go ahead and get the other one off. So I'm going to have to remake all the hardware so we can get these pipes on off. Taking me over a half hour to get this far already on these stupid pipes. Very, very stupid designs. I can make what I need in less than an hour. And fall, go on and off easy. Alright. So the bolt heads are jammed up under there. You have no access to lock them in. All they do is they just turn in there, so you can't do anything. So this one here, if I can get it loosened up, should be able to slide this whole thing off. Looks like the bracket's broken too already, because it's too damn thin. Said everything about these things are just junk. So I just won't let me get this stuff off. A bunch of crap. See, the bolt head just spins underneath there. That's got so much tension on it, there's no way you're going to undo it. So maybe a zip gun can get it going fast enough to get it to come free. Who knows? We've worked on before, just left it at this point, and you get it together enough you can just put it back on the bike and it's all loose, but it runs down the road. Let someone else worry about down the road. That'd be me. I like fixing it right the first time, not have to come back. Ah! Damn splinter. Stupid ass chrome crap. Fuck off of there. There, saw. Piece of shit. There, now it's bent out. It won't be a problem again. Damn, that hurt. Still got metal in my finger. There. Beat it back, see? Good to go. Stupid ass chrome splinters. Take a pocket knife, rub back and forth like that, it'll knock stuff off that's in there. It also cleans the dirt off your finger a little bit too. So this thing here is broken. So it's cracked all the way through here. It's only holding right here. And this one's broken over here. So this needs to be made out of better, thicker material. And you gotta lose these stupid bolts and remake everything. What fun. And that thing still hurts. Look how that damn splinter went in there. Might still be in there. Alright. Jeez, more crap that hurts you. Alright, so now we move on to the transmission part. Let's see, I do not have to pull this bracket. I'm going to pull this cover off. Okay. Oil's going to go everywhere. Okay, just going to yank that off. Should have access, hopefully. Smells like rotten piss. Cat piss. That's what it smells like. Jeez. What the hell they got in here for oil? Yeah. Oh, that stuff stinks. Yeah, silicone, grease, and who knows what else. More silicone. High temperature silicones, you know it's good. And it hurts. Alright. Lots of stupid silicone everywhere. Stringy ass silicone. Yep, stringy, crappy silicone. And some stinky ass oil. Okay, so this bearing retainer is not keeping the bearing where it belongs. So that's allowing the main shaft to slide back and forth. So my guess is here I put the clutch hub on over there that was not going on and off very easily because it was splines are screwed up. Over here I filed on them instead of beating the piss out of them with a big hammer, so I can find the clutch hub where it would go on correctly. They didn't do that. They just took the hub and beat the tar out of it until it went on. And they had all kinds of misalignments after that because they beat the damn bearing past the retainer. So now the bearing sticks out too far. See how it's sticking out further than this one? It also causes obviously problems inside the transmission for shifting because now the gears and dogs are not lined up correctly, and forks and all the other good stuff that's in there. So that's more issues. So I got to take this off here. I need to straighten out this plate, and then I need to beat the bearing back in where it belongs, put the plate back on it, and don't beat on the main shaft again. That's why you should have snap rings in there or positive screws in here that hold the bearing in permanently. These stupid retainers are way too weak. As you can see why. Every time I touch that thing I feel like it's still something broken. It's probably a piece of chrome broken off my finger now. Alright, so let's come off. There you go. And that all looks good. So now we just need to beat that back in with a appropriately sized tool. Does anybody have one of those appropriately sized tools around in their toolbox? Yeah. I think we do. So we need to have something from over here. Nice piece of stainless steel. That'll be perfect. That way we won't mar the surface or cause a spark. Might start a fire with that oil in there. Very important safety. You have the appropriately sized tool to shove with. That would move slightly for some reason. And now that one's in. Okay, they're all back where they belong. That was easy. Alright, so now we just got to fix this problem. This is not flat. Needs to be flat. So we got to clean up this mess right here first. Get this pukey oil on it. Used to have a dirty rag right here. That's it now. Okay, that's not flat. Need to make this flat. You just have to have a flattening tool around here. Looks like about right that one rope did the trick. Oops. And light ass only gets 7 tons. Oh, I think I hit 8. The old chimpanzee on the end of the handle there trick. Appears to be relatively square and flat now. Imagine that, huh? So now all I gotta do is put this right back where it came from. Don't use a zip tool for this. Use the appropriate tools. Feels a little soft. Oh, those threads suck. Okay. There you go. One nice repaired bearing plate. I'm going to let this drain overnight. That way I don't have to deal with it right now. Yuck. It's like a taper gasket on a format gasket. We'll hang that right there and let it drip dry also. Alright, that was an easy fix. Fixing exhaust is going to be the real job. Those things suck. But we'll make it we can work on this bike. Damn, look how big that stupid frame is. Damn. It's like 2.5 inch diameter tubing. It's stupid. No wonder nothing fits. Alright, that's it for tonight. Well, it's actually tomorrow. So, there you go. Well, it took all of about 5-10 minutes to fix the bearings and an hour, 2 hours probably plus to do the exhaust system. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Custom parts are fun. Alright, that's it for tonight.